If you've muted a word on X and now you want to remove it, this video will show you exactly how to do that in just a few simple clicks. This is a quick and useful tutorial if you want to start seeing posts, replies, or notifications related to that word again. So if this helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open X and look at the left navigation bar. Click on More to open the full menu. From there, click on Settings and Privacy options are stored. Next, click on Privacy and Safety. On this page, you'll find the tools that control what you see and what you block on the platform. Now click on Mute and Block. This section contains your mute settings, blocked accounts, and related filters. After that, click on Muted Words. Here you'll see the list of words you've muted on your account. Find the word you want to remove from the mute list, and then click Unmute next to that word. Once you do that, the word will no longer be muted on your X account. That means content containing that word can show up again in your feed, and notifications depending on your other settings. And that's it. You've successfully removed a muted word on X. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick guide like this.